All right, guys, I know that you all were having a little bit of difficulty with Epic, so I just kind of wanted to show you and see if this maybe can help. So if you go on to our reading language arts, I hope you guys can see this, and you hit log into Epic, this is down here. Um, then once you click on this, it should take you automatically to our class account, which should look like this. If you're having issues, try to put this class code in, and then you should be able to just click on your name and then be able to go into your levels. Mackenzie, I'm going to go into yours. I hope that that's okay. So she's been reading all of these guys and tons of different things here. And there's tons of stuff you can do. You can do comics, you can do a read to me, you can do videos, you can do audiobooks, things like that. One reason that I want you guys to really utilize Epic is because in the next few days, I am going to be uploading a file for you guys to do what we call like a tower of books. And I was going to do this in class anyway, but since we're not in there, we can still do it. So what I'm going to do is upload you guys a PowerPoint, and it's going to give you categories of books that you can read. And I realize we obviously don't have access to the libraries at school or public libraries, but you have access to Epic right now. And so I want you to utilize it. So I'm going to be uploading that, and you can actually collect books with different genres and things like that to kind of keep you up to date. So try this. If you're having issues, let me know because it works for me. I don't know why maybe some of you are having issues, but let me know because I don't want you guys to have issues on this because it's super, super cool. One thing else I wanted to show you guys really quickly is under your science Google Classroom, I put a link to this website called study.com. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to look like this. This is our class code, and it should automatically, when you hit the link, take it there. Now, I will tell you that some devices may make things look differently. I'm always on my laptop when I'm doing these, but if you're on an iPad or Kindle, some stuff may not work as well. So the laptop is probably your best bet. But if you hit Join Classroom, it's going to give you an assignment. The first one that you're going to do is scientific method lesson for kids, okay? So if you were, it also has it under here where it says assignment. So if you were to click on that, it gives you a little bit video. You'd hit start assignment. I'm not going to do it because I haven't been assigned this. It has all your information here, and then it has you to read it, and then it has a little bit of practice. This is kind of a quiz, but it's not 100% a quiz. If you want to print a worksheet, you can, but you don't have to. All of this will be saved in your account that I can access, okay? So the due dates on here are crazy, but I do want you to try to get this lesson done by the end of this week. I'm probably going to give you maybe a lesson or two each week for this. And this is mainly how our science is going to be set up. It's not going to go in order because some of these lessons we've kind of already covered or they're not as crucial. So just try to follow along on this. If you're having issues, let me know. But again, if you click on that link, it should just automatically take you in there. If you would have to create an account for some reason, use your TVCS email, okay? I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I want to show you guys while I have you here. If you're not on my class, this is the Google Classroom is just where I can give you guys announcements. There's not really going to be any assignments on here. For example, we have our jokes, okay? If you want to post a joke, that's fine. If you want to listen to our read alouds, okay, they're right here. And this is not necessarily a workspace. It's just for us to kind of keep in contact, okay? Some of you asked about spelling during our Zoom call, which I had a few of you guys ask about that. As of now, I'm pausing on spelling. If we are out of school for more than 2 more weeks, I will probably integrate it somehow, but it may look a little different than it normally does, okay? Real quick too, I have you guys here. Math has done, you guys have done super well with that. Today you have your adding fractions with like denominators, you guys have copies of these slides. So when you go in there and you type it in, it'll save it, and then you need to turn it in to me so that I can see the assignment, because I can't unless you do that. You also have this video that you need to watch. I know some of those slides are a little weird. Just do what you can, okay? It's not the end of the world, but we'll do more of these as we go. Also for Math Zoo, tomorrow you have your mixed numbers and improper fraction. This is a video that you want to watch, and then if you have any questions, comment down below. Make sure you do hit turn in so that I know that you've watched the video, okay? I will probably come on with another video maybe tomorrow or Thursday. What is today? Today is Wednesday. So tomorrow or Friday. But this is mainly what we'll be doing with math this week, okay? If you guys have any questions, please email me, okay? And if you need anything, let me know. Remember that Friday your Wax Museum backdrop is due. Please, please, please do your best to turn that into me. Let me show you. In this, so you can attach, you should be able to attach it. I'm not on any of your alls, but you should be able to attach it. That's the easiest place to try to do your best to attach your files into Google Classroom, because if you just email me, a lot of times it gets lost in the shuffle because I get so many emails a day. So just do your best to do that, okay, guys? Any questions? Feel free to email me. I'll be thinking about you guys. Good to talk with some of you, and we'll see you later.